Okay, good morning students. We shall see how the provisions of the Indian Partnership Act 1932 talks about the remuneration of the partners and the profit, how it should be divided, how much should be given as interest for capital, and how much should be given for interest on drawings, and what should be the interest on loan. All these things are given in the provisions of Indian Partnership Act 1932. General rules, these are all general rules, but when they frame the rules and the regulations of the partnership, or when they prepare the partnership deed, they can bring in something. Generally, I tell you now, generally, according to Partnership Act, there is no salary or remuneration allowed to partners. This is the general provision, general rule. But when a new partnership is framed, a particular partner is working in the partnership for the development of the partnership on agreements with the consent of other partners, he may be paid salary. This is in practice. Then the practice profit sharing ratio, the next provision. Generally, all the partners should divide the profit equally. This is the general rule, general provision given under Partnership Act. But the partners who join together and start the business may come to an agreement that they can divide the profit according to the capital ratio. Yes, they can do. According to capital ratio or in a particular fixed ratio, they can frame them all. And the third point, interest on capital. Generally, no interest is allowed for the amount invested in the name of capital. But what happens, they can, when they prepare the deed, partnership deed, they can bring a provision, they can bring a rule, they can make a note of it in the deed that so much percentage will be given for the money contributed as capital. And the next one, interest on loan. The provisions of, the general provisions of partnership talks about, general provisions of partnership talks about allowing 6% on the loan, interest to be paid on the loan. This is the general provision. It may be altered by the partners. And finally, interest on drawings. When the partner draws some amount from the partnership, and he need not pay any interest on his drawings, but when they frame the partnership deed, they can make the alteration and they can fix some percentage of interest on drawings. Okay, these are all generally given in the provisions of partnership, and we shall pass on to the exercise that is given as problems. The first one, I shall read. I said already, you should have a copy of the textbook if you don't have it, and what I read or what I say or teach cannot be followed very easily. Right. In exercise, problem number 1. Akash, Bala, Chandru and Daniel are partners in a firm. There is no partnership deed. When there is a partnership deed, they will mention everything, that is interest on capital, interest on drawings, salary, profit sharing ratio, what amount should be given for the loan borrowed from the business, from the partnership. All these things will be mentioned there. But when there is no partnership deed, what is that? Akash has contributed maximum capital. He demands interest on capital at 10% per annum. Will it be possible according to the provisions of partnership? Partnership provision padi Akash he has contributed too much capital, so he is demanding 10% interest. Is it possible according to the general provisions of the partnership deed? Then in that case, no. No interest on capital, provided they have an agreement among themselves and it is with the consent of other partners. If it is promised to pay certain percent of interest on capital, then Akash will be paid. But in this particular problem, no interest on capital will be paid according to the general provision of the partnership. Then the next one, Bala has withdrawn 3,000 per month. Other partners asked Bala to pay interest on drawings at the rate of 8% per annum to the firm, but Bala did not agree to it. Bala withdraw 3,000 per month. That means for 1 year, 12 into 3,000, 36,000 he withdraw from the partnership. So for that purpose, other partners are demanding that interest at the rate of 8% should be paid to the partnership. Other partners are demanding. As per the general provisions of the partnership, whether Bala has to pay interest on capital, no, he need not. He need not pay any interest as per the general provision. Then the third one, Akash demands the profit to be shared in the capital ratio, but others do not agree. Akash, a partner, demands all the partners should divide the profit equally. He is demanding. Will it be possible to share it as per the general provisions of the partnership? No. No such idea is given in general provision of the partnership. No, nothing is given like that. Unless or otherwise it is mentioned in the partnership deed, as per the general provisions of the partnership, no such interest, no such idea is given regarding the division of profit. So nothing is given there. Daniel demands a salary at the rate of rupees 10,000 per month as he spends full time for the business. One of the partners named Daniel is working for the partner throughout the day. Throughout the day, he is putting his effort full day, and for that he demands 10,000 salary. Will it be admissible as per the provisions of the partnership? No. Because in the provisions of partnership, general provisions, there is no such principle is given. But if agreed by the other partners, he may be paid. It depends upon the partnership deed, what they frame. Okay, right. Then the last one, loan advanced by Chandru to the firm is 50,000. One of the partners, Chandru, advanced the loan to the firm. Partnership is in that case, he demands 12% interest for the loan he has given to the partnership. Will it be possible? No. According to the general provisions of partnership, only up to the maximum of 6% of interest only is allowed for the loan given by the partners to the partnership. பார்ட்னர்ஷிப்புக்கு பார்ட்னர்ஸ் லோன் கொடுத்தா ஜென்ரல் ரூல் படி 6% தான் அவங்க வாங்கிக்க முடியும். When a partner demands 12%, it is not possible unless or otherwise they agreed to pay 12% and they framed the rules in the partnership deed. Okay, and this is a small question, and we shall go to the actual problems now with the preparation of capital account. We are going to prepare the capital accounts of partners. We shall do it now. Partners capital account. We shall see it now. This is partners capital account. This is an account, therefore we should write debtor and creditor at on both the ends. Debtor, creditors. Particulars. Reuben Daly. Particulars. Reuben Daly. This is the format of preparing the capital account. Preparing the capital account. So what is given there? Capital on 1st April 2018. Capital